Welcome to Sleep Science. Today we are making Sleepytinis. Today we're using this mango. We just made one with it. We're going to make some more. It's beautifully, perfectly ripe. We've got lime and we're going to add those two together. Let's start off by cutting up some mango. And mango has that big seed in the center, so you have to kind of cut around it. But in my opinion, it's well worth it. All right, muddling glass, mango. We get our lime. Half a line, I guess you call that sort of subline. And I don't see any seeds in here, but let's make sure we don't get any. Just enough to get a hint of lime juice in there, not too much. Okay. I'm going to put in some 3 milligrams of melatonin. I'm going to put in some chamomile tea. And we are going to muddle. That mango being perfectly ripe is just, it sort of falls apart in here, which is what you want, because you want to get all that mango juice and that flavor, but you don't want the pulp in your drink. Now we're going to go ahead and take our martini shaker, ice. We're going to strain the pulp. And I'm going to do what you would do with a martini shaker. We're going to shake. Wow, I can smell it from here. I don't even need to open it. But we're going to, because we're going to drink this baby. Look at that. The color of the mango. Right here in the glass. And the taste? Let's find out. Very light. Just a hint of that lime. It's a keeper. All right. You got to see all of our other Sleepytinis and our other drinks, all of our sleep science. We have so much for you on Sleep Science today. We're just givers. So subscribe, like, tell your friends, comment, do the things you need to do if you want us to succeed and get more information out there to help people like you sleep better. We'll see you on the next episode.